The Anhinga is an utterly breathtaking bird. Watch this video to learn more about this fascinating bird. The Anhinga, also known as the snake bird, is a large, dark-plumed bird that inhabits the warm, fresh waters of the Americas. Its nickname, snake bird, comes from its unique habit of swimming with its body submerged, leaving only its long, snake-like neck visible above the water. This remarkable bird has several special characteristics, including its webbed feet, sharp, hooked beak, and distinctive crest on top of its head. Feed a variety of aquatic animals, including fish, frogs, and small crustaceans. They are skilled hunters, using their sharp eyesight and agility to catch their prey while swimming underwater. Anhingas are monogamous birds that form long-term pair bonds. They build large, platform-like nests in trees or shrubs near the water's edge, using sticks, twigs, and other plant material. The female lays 2 to 5 eggs, which both parents take turns incubating for about 25 to 30 days. After the eggs hatch, both parents care for the young, feeding and protecting them until they fledge at around 6 to 7 weeks old. Anhingas are known to be devoted parents, and they take great care to raise their young. Both parents will often take turns brooding the chicks, keeping them warm and safe, while the other parent goes off to hunt for food. In the wild, Anhingas can live up to 10 to 15 years, although their average lifespan is around 5 to 7 years. In captivity, with proper care and management, they can live up to 20 to 25 years. Overall, the Anhinga is a fascinating and unique bird, with its remarkable appearance, interesting habits, and strong family bonds making it a popular subject among bird enthusiasts and nature lovers.